In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to uninstall Microsoft Office, including Word, PowerPoint, and Excel from your Windows computer step by step. Whether you're troubleshooting issues, reinstalling a newer version, or simply freeing up space, this guide will walk you through the entire process the right way. Make sure you follow each step carefully so everything is removed properly. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, go down to your Windows taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on the search box that says Type here to search. Once you click on it, begin typing Control Panel. As you type, you'll see Control Panel appear in the search results above. Go ahead and click on Control Panel to open it. When the Control Panel window opens, make sure you are viewing it in Category View. If it's set to large icons or small icons, you can switch it using the View By option in the top right corner. Under the Programs section, click on Uninstall a Program. This will take you to the Programs and Features window, where you can see a list of all the software currently installed on your computer. Now, in the Programs and Features window, scroll down through the list of installed applications. This list may take a few seconds to fully load, depending on how many programs you have installed. Carefully look for Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019 N-US. The exact name may vary slightly depending on your version, but it should clearly say Microsoft Office and the edition year. Once you find Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019 N-US, click on it once to highlight and select it. After selecting it, look at the top toolbar in the Programs and Features window. You'll see an option that says Uninstall/Change. Click on Uninstall/Change to begin the removal process. At this point, a confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to uninstall Microsoft Office. Click Yes to continue. The Office Uninstall wizard will now launch. Depending on your system speed, this may take a few moments to initialize. When the uninstall window appears, follow the on-screen instructions. In most cases, you simply need to confirm that you want to remove the program, and the system will begin uninstalling Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and the rest of the Office suite automatically. During this process, you might see a progress bar indicating that Office is being removed. Avoid shutting down your computer while this is happening. The uninstallation process can take several minutes. Once it finishes, you should see a message confirming that Microsoft Office has been successfully removed from your computer. Click Close to exit the wizard. To make sure everything is fully removed, it's a good idea to restart your computer. Restarting helps clear any remaining background services or temporary files related to Office. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Microsoft Office Word, PowerPoint, and Excel from your Windows PC using the Control Panel. If you plan to reinstall a different version, you can now safely download and install it without conflicts. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and step-by-step software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.